One of the biggest purchases most people will ever make is buying a house. Being a homeowner is one of the greatest accomplishments for most people. Owning a home comes with expenses that individuals do not account for, and here are some expenses associated with owning a home. 1. Mortgage payment, which includes principal and interest payments. 2. Property tax. 3. Property insurance. 4. Regular monthly upkeep when things break. Most people underestimate the true cost of home ownership, and it's only a matter of time before they fall behind on their payments. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you feel that you have gotten value so far. No matter how late you are on your mortgage payment, there are steps to take to help fix the situation. Reach out to your lender or servicer and admit your mistake. Let them know about any financial hardships. If you have a late loan payment because of a medical emergency, job loss, or other unforeseen events, your servicer or lender may be able to help. Consider working out a deferment or forbearance, which can postpone or reduce your payments based on your situation. If you want to get your loan paid back to current, your service representative can walk you through the steps you will need to make, including any fees that must be paid. Falling behind on your mortgage can be a frustrating experience, particularly for those facing the possibility of foreclosure. Here are steps you can take to get back on track after missed mortgage payments. A repayment plan. Here, your loan servicer agrees to let you spread out your late mortgage payments over the next several months to bring your loan current. Mortgage forbearance. Your servicer temporarily reduces or suspends your monthly mortgage payments for a set period of time. Once the mortgage forbearance period ends, you'll repay what you owe either in a lump sum, a repayment plan, or by modifying your loan. Loan modification. A loan modification changes your loan's original terms by extending your repayment term, thus lowering your mortgage interest rate or switching you from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate mortgage. The goal is to reduce your monthly payment to a more manageable amount. You must be proactive in getting back on track and by reaching out to your lender for help instead of waiting until you get late mortgage payment notices. If you feel you'll be behind or are already behind on your payments, you must contact your lender now and go over your options. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Say that, "I subscribed," and I will try my best to reply to your comment.